King's Cross also for the 2012 Olympics had a new concourse built onto the old Victorian station, which was completely remodelled. Those of you who are Harry Potter fans will recognise King's Cross as the place where Harry catches his train to his school. We were looking for a new home for one of our colleges, and we hit upon this location knowing that this regeneration was taking place. So we became the anchor occupier, and the beauty of universities is that 5,000 just before this development really started to be built. The land was valued at about £140 million. Today the land is worth £3.5 billion.
Julia, that's coming up.
The cooperation and partnership with the government of the UK, working through UKEF, is to rehabilitate and have a new and modern railway station at the Nairobi railway station center. So this is not just about the horizontal movement of people, but it's about completely altering the economic activity around the railway station. What we have seen at King's Cross is that there is a hub that brings together about 50,000 people per day to deal with commerce, to commute, to handle other economic issues. And this has generated a new economic ecosystem. So it is our desire that with the funding that we are going to get from the UK government, we should be able to achieve a similar feat around the Nairobi railway city. And this will be able to have activities that would bring together about 30,000 people every day at the Nairobi railway station once it's modernized. So this is a very serious engagement. It's a flagship project. As we stand here, we've just stepped out of a meeting with the Minister for Rail, Mr. Hugh Merriman, and just to discuss and go through what would be the next steps, the remaining issues that need to be tackled from a legal perspective, from a technical perspective, so that the rail city can take off. We have met the trade representative, Madam Theo Clark, also a Member of Parliament, the trade representative of the Prime Minister, Mr. Sunak. She'll be coming to Kenya in a week's time to take this conversation further. You will recall also that not too long ago we had the MP Andrew Mitchell also in Nairobi on the same issue. So this is going to be a major flagship project for the people of Kenya. It's going to generate a lot of jobs, and we are confident that it will change things. By April next year, we have been informed by the Trade Minister that the Prime Minister of England will be setting up an Africa Trade conference here. And one of the issues that he wants to focus on is the Nairobi rail.